Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 8 surprising benefits of cherimoya. Cherimoya, or custard apple. Cherimoya, Annona cherimola, is a green, cone-shaped fruit with scaly skin and creamy, sweet flesh. Thought to have originated in the Andes Mountains of South America, it's grown in tropical areas with high altitudes. Due to its creamy texture, cherimoya is also known as custard apple. It's often eaten with a spoon and served chilled like custard. Cherimoya has a sweet taste similar to other tropical fruits, such as banana and pineapple. However, certain parts of cherimoya contain toxins that may damage your nervous system if consumed in high amounts. Here are 8 surprising benefits of cherimoya. 1. High in antioxidants. Cherimoya is loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is associated with chronic illnesses, including cancer and heart disease. Certain compounds in cherimoya, including cownoic acid, flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C, have powerful antioxidant effects. One test tube study found that both the peel and pulp are excellent sources of antioxidants, with compounds in the peel especially effective at preventing oxidative damage. Cherimoya's carotenoid antioxidants may be particularly powerful. 2. May boost your mood. Cherimoya is an excellent source of vitamin B6 pyridoxine. In fact, 1 cup 160 grams of the fruit contains over 30% of the reference daily intake. In fact, low blood levels of vitamin B6 are linked to depression, especially in older adults. One study in 251 older adults found that vitamin B6 deficiency doubled one's chances of depression. 3. May benefit eye health. Cherimoya is rich in the carotenoid antioxidant lutein, one of the main antioxidants in your eyes that maintain healthy vision by fighting free radicals. Several studies associate high lutein intake with good eye health and a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD), a condition marked by eye damage and vision loss. Therefore, consuming lutein-rich foods, such as cherimoya, may boost eye health and fight conditions like AMD and cataracts. 4. May prevent high blood pressure. Cherimoya is high in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, such as potassium and magnesium. Both potassium and magnesium promote the dilation of blood vessels, which in turn helps lower blood pressure. High blood pressure may increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. One review noted that consuming the RDI for potassium, 4,700 mg per day, can reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure by around 8 and 4 mHg, respectively. 5. May promote good digestion. 1 cup 160 grams of cherimoya offers almost 5 grams of dietary fiber, which is over 17% of the RDI. In addition, soluble fibers, like those found in cherimoya, can feed the good bacteria in your gut, as well as undergo fermentation to produce short-chain fatty acids (SCFAs). These acids include butyrate, acetate, and propionate. 6. May have anticancer properties. Some of the compounds in cherimoya may help fight cancer. Cherimoya's flavonoids include catechin, epicatechin, and epigallocatechin. Some of these flavonoids have been shown to stop the growth of cancer cells in test tube studies. Another test tube study observed that some catechins, including those in Cherimoya, stopped up to 100% of breast cancer cell growth. However, more human studies are needed to fully understand how Cherimoya compounds affect cancer. 7. May fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to several dangerous illnesses, including heart disease and cancer. Notably, Cherimoya provides several anti-inflammatory compounds, including carotenoic acid. Cherimoya contains multiple anti-inflammatory compounds, such as carotenoic acid, catechin, and epicatechin. Decreasing your levels of chronic inflammation may reduce disease risk. 8. May boost your immunity. Like other tropical fruits, Cherimoya is loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient that boosts immunity by fighting infections and disease. Human studies further reveal that vitamin C may help decrease the duration of the common cold. However, research is mixed and has mostly focused on supplements rather than dietary vitamin C. Cherimoya is high in vitamin C, which may boost immunity and help your body fight infections. How to eat cherimoya. Cherimoya can be found at many grocery and health food stores but may be unavailable depending on your location. It should be stored at room temperature until soft, then kept in the fridge for up to 3 days. To prepare cherimoya, remove and discard the skin and seeds, then slice the fruit into pieces. Cherimoya tastes delicious in fruit salad, mixed into yogurt or oatmeal, or blended into smoothies or salad dressings. You can also eat chilled cherimoya like a custard by slicing the fruit in half, then scooping out the flesh with a spoon. Prepare cherimoya by removing the skin and seeds, then slicing or scooping out the flesh. It's easy to mix it into breakfast foods, snacks, and sweet treats. Thanks for watching.